Hey guys, today on the agenda is install the camber kit on the cord. So what we have here is a Mega Racing rear camber kit for the cord. Brand new, never installed. I got these things for 40 bucks. So see y'all when I'm outside. So I'm getting the car jack. Alright guys, we're outside, getting the jack ready. Jack up the car, take his wheel off. After the jack placement, I really don't care. We're using this Bugatti. We got that off. Guys, I haven't drove this car in months. Okay. Now these are the arms we're going to be replacing. And this right here. And that. I think the back one's a 14, this one's a 17, so yeah. I'll come back when I'm working on getting those out. I need to repaint all of this. Yeah, this coilover is seized. That's why I need a camber kit, because this side is like cambered way in and the other sides aren't. But I guess when I took oh, I just had to pull it out, man. Oh gosh, I'm glad that fell right there. Okay, bolt. Well, it's a nut. No, that's a bolt. That's a nut and our cotter pin. Actually, I put all of them on a piece of wood so I don't lose them. Because it's really easy to lose stuff. Set that on the ground. But that's out. This should pop on out. No, why it's not focusing. There we go. Got one out. It's stock on. Now, the reason why I'm putting on these, because with the stock arms, it had so much camber, because the coilover is seized. So, we're gonna see how these work. I'm pretty sure they're just like a normal camber kit, so, boom, can pair them. That's about this, yeah. That's about the same size as stock. It has a little more degree, but let me see the widths of the two. Widths of the two look good. Okay, actually extend it first before you put it in. So let me set y'all somewhere. Maybe that or something. I want to push this wheel out a whole lot, so about like that should do. Don't forget, tighten your locking nuts too. Maybe some Loctite if you want to be extra safe, but they shouldn't come loose, as they got washers and everything to prevent that. So, but leave them loose until you get them fully on and adjusted. Then you can lock them once you have it in. So don't tug on your brake lines either, because the hard ones, you'll crack them easy. Take the nut off. There's another look at the camber arm. Put that in. Back first. Goes right in. Right in, like that. Back first. Get my long bolt. Put that in. Okay, let's get that in. We might have to shorten this to get it in, then adjust it once we have it all in the car. Because it's not lining up at the point at the moment. So twist that in. Twist that other one on real good. It's getting closer. Okay, as close as we're gonna be able to get it, I'm guessing. Okay, there we go. And that slides in there. And boom. Your camber kit is in. That easy, it's in. And take your bolt. You might want to put some Loctite or something on this. Put your bolt on there. Come on, go on, stop doing stuff. And boom, you're done. Tighten your stuff up, make your adjustments, drop the car, make any further adjustments, and do the same on the other side. Okay. You need to tighten this now. I forgot that's a 17, or maybe a 3/4, I don't know. 3/4 is too big. Okay, my 17 fits, so that's what it takes is 17. So alright guys, well, we got that all tightened up. Don't get your socket stuck like I did though. Got it. So one side done. Don't forget your cotter pin. You need that or your bolt may come loose like mine was. So cotter pin in there like that. I'm gonna bend it up some type of way so it won't come undone or anything. They usually wrap it around the bolt. Yeah, cotter pin's in, that's in. Now I can adjust camber if I wanted to. Some of you may have to use like a wrench to adjust it because it may be too tight. So keep that in mind. Another tip with these is always keep them lubricated. If you don't, you're gonna have big issues. Then all you do, get you a wrench and just put it on there and turn. Like this will give you positive camber. If you watch it, it came out a little bit. Like that gives you positive camber. As you can see. And the other way gives you negative, so then you're gonna lock your little rings like that. Same on this side. You're gonna take a wrench and tighten those locking nuts so these don't go anywhere. Hand tight in some cases will do. But just take the extra second, take the wrench and boom on that one. That one's locked. And do the same for that one. That one's locked. You're good to go. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it off the jack. Make sure you move all the wood and stuff. I'm gonna set my parts and stuff I used. Okay, it's all the stuff I used. Okay, let's see. All the native camber is pretty much gone. Yeah, it's pretty much all positive camber. I can tell it's towed in a lot, but I can adjust it later down the road. So guys, it's the camber kit. Install cotter pin, put the tire on, then I'll come back to you guys. Camber kit's on, as you guys can see. Maybe I can stick that on there. Y'all can have a look. Camber kit's on. And yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, your boys out. Peace.